Adire skul ma Wasio kama chenro mag somo e skul sekondar ma Wasio sub-county Masuna East narochore bang' jopuonjre mag skul no bago ng'anyo ka giywak ni ok giyud makare chenro mag somo. Jopuonjre go mano wuothe kilomita 5 nyaka apis director ma somo owacho ni skul no oketogi gi chama lot piny maru. Director migawo mar somo mar sub-county Masuna East Willy Samolo mano bedo kod twak kod jopuonjre go wacho ne gidhi timo nonro kendo kawo okang' mowinjore e skul no.
They gave us their issues that made them to walk to the office, and we have collected their views, and we have assured them that the issues they raised will be addressed with the relevant officers. We are still investigating so that we get a report which can inform further action. They mainly touched on issues of learning at school. Okay, the major one was learning practicals. They're not doing practicals and all that. Yeah, so these are the ones which I'll address with after doing thorough investigations and getting all the issues, which I'll then address them appropriately. Then appropriate action can be taken to address the issues raised.